So previously we are getting the problem with reading the string. So we'll write the same code here. So if the serial dot available so this is the initialization. So serial dot begin 9600, and after that in the loop section you have to check the availability of the data. Serial dot available so greater than 0, then directly we are reading the data. So I'll take data, so I'll make it as a global variable. So here I'll take it as a string. So this is the previous program. Okay, serial dot read string. So after that we are checking the condition. So data is equal to LED on. LED on. Then turn on the LED. Digital write LED comma high. Okay. If the received data is LED off, if data is equal to LED off, then turn off the LED. LED comma 0. Okay. So this is the previous program. Okay. Once again I will check this program. Okay. So for pin LED you have to declare pin mode LED comma output, then define as a micro. Okay. So define LED 13. Okay. So this is the previous program. Upload the sketch. So done uploading. Let's see. LED on. Okay. It's not responding. Once again. LED. It's not responding. Okay, I'll go for the other method. So just I'll read the character. Okay, so then I will store it into the string. So we already declared the data as a string. Okay, so then we'll receive each string. Okay, so for that I will take a while loop. Same condition here also. Okay, we are checking availability of the data. Available greater than 0. So while it will start receiving, so then it will enter into the while loop, continuous loop. Okay, so then I will store the only character. So I will read the character. Okay, So character of the received data, and I will store it into the data string. Okay. So then just give the delay 2 microsecond. Okay. For reading each character. Okay. So after that I'll go for the LED on and LED off condition. So just use another close braces here. Okay. Just you are storing the each character, okay, in the string. Then upload the code. So done uploading. LED on. So LED is turned on. Okay. LED off, but it won't work. Okay. You see here, it won't work because so every time, so it will store the all the data from the serial monitor. Okay. So because if you are reading and you are storing into the string variable, so it will continuously storing next data. So first it will store LED on, so after that it will store LED on and LED off. So just I will show you here. Okay, just to print, you can print the data. Okay, serial dot print ln, okay, data. So LED on. So like that it will store the data. So just it first it will store the L, then E and D. Okay, so goes on. Okay, so like that, so it will store the data. So now I will send LED off. So you can see here, so it will store LED on, so after that it will store LED off. Okay, so it has two variable now, or two values now. Okay, so that's why, so after sending every value, so we have to clear the data, previous data. Okay, so that's why, so it is turning on the LED for satisfying the first condition, but in the second condition it is in a false statement. Okay, so that's why it is not turning off the LED. So for that, so just we have to make it as in 0. So every time, so if you are sending new data, so first I will store empty data. Okay. So then we will get a correct result. So done uploading. Okay. Just I will connect LED. Okay. The code is uploaded. So now I will send the data. Okay. So first of all I will send, so garbage. Okay, first I will send the LED on string. So it is turned on. 1 minute. So it is turned on. Else again I'll restart the program. Okay, initially it is off. So now I'll send LED on. So LED is turned on. Okay. Now I will send LED off. So LED is turned off. So again you can send the LED on. Okay. LED off. So otherwise you can, so just I will remove this print statement. Okay. can print like this. So we print serial dot print ln, so LED on or LED here, LED off. Okay. In this condition it is on. Okay. Serial dot print ln and LED on. Upload the sketch and you'll see the result. So done uploading. Now I'll send LED on. So LED is on, LED off, LED off. Okay. LED on, LED off. So like that, so we can receive the string. So just I will send LED now. So it will simply ignore that statement. Okay. So you can also display something. Okay. So just you can also go for else if. So on the last condition, this part, just print invalid input. Okay, code is uploaded. Let's see the first condition: LED on, LED on. Okay, LED off, LED off. So now I will send the invalid character. Okay, so like LED, so we'll get invalid. And firstly, you can see here, because of you are getting the invalid even though you are entered LED on. Okay, because so you are storing each character. So in every character it will show invalid character. Okay. So now I'll send only LED. So you can see here LED, so invalid input or 1, invalid input 0 or invalid input. Okay, like this. So now I will send LED on. So first it will store a L, so that is invalid input agutte. So then again so E, so that is also LE is also an invalid input. So then LED is also an invalid input. So that's why you are getting LED invalid input, then you are getting LED on. Okay. So otherwise you can also remove the else part, no problem. So this is the reading string from your serial communication or UART communication. Okay. So just we have to add one more statement. So that is while. So while receiving the character from the serial monitor, so it will store single character into the string. Okay. So after finishing its job, so then it will go for the condition. Okay. If data is equal to the given string, so if it is true, it will execute this body of the loop or if condition loop. So if it is false, just it will ignore, because we are not using else part here. Okay. So then so if the data is LED off, so then it will turn off the LED. Okay. So if it is other than LED off, so then just it will ignore the statement or a character from the serial monitor. So this is the code for reading string from your serial monitor or UART communication. Okay. So you guys have any doubts? So first of all, we have to read the information from the serial monitor. Okay, that was the assignment. So write a program to create. Write a program to create chatbot. Right. So this is the assignment. So here the first work is we have to give the name. Okay, it will tell your name. Okay. So then second one is your age. So then third one is USN. So then fourth one is college name or college. So then fifth one is branch. So like that you can add much more information. Okay. So just I will write the code based on this requirement. Okay. So this is the code for reading the string from serial monitor. Okay. We already seen this result. So just I will change the data now. Okay. So based on my requirement. Just we have to change the condition here. The what is the first condition? So initially I will display the chatbot information. Okay. So at the initial stage means we have to write the code in what setup. Okay. So serial dot print ln. Okay. Okay. Hi, welcome to mini chatbot. Okay. So like that you can display anything. So after that, so just check the name. So if I enter name, so it will tell your name. So just I will print so your name. Your name is okay. Here I will remove the pin mode. Okay, digital write function. Okay. So your name is. So I will take any random name here.
The screen is not shared, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, this is the assignment question, right? So write a program to create chatbot. Okay, the first name is USN college and branch. Okay, and here, so just I'm adding one more statement in the wire setup. Okay, just a serial dot println. So I welcome to mini chatbot. Okay, so next, so just I will change the condition based on my requirement. Okay, here this is my requirement. Okay, first I will check the name. Okay, name, your name is, so I'll take random name here. Okay, okay. So then second condition, so if data is equals to age. Okay, so if it is true, so I'll print some random age. Okay, so print ln. Okay, I think your age is around 23. Okay, fine. So then again I will check for the third condition. So if the data is equal to, so USN. Okay, USN. So then I will display your USN number. Serial dot print ln. Okay, your USN is, so to start with 4BD. Okay, right? So your so just I'll take the random number. Okay, 18 EC like a 402 or 401 something. Okay, so this is the third condition. Now fourth condition. So if so data is equal to college, so then serial dot println your college name is, okay, BIET. Okay, so then if so fifth condition branch, so data is equal to branch then it will display your branch. Okay, your branch is, okay, electronics. Okay, so something like that. So just upload the code. So just you have to add the condition, so based on your requirement. Okay, so this is the basic code for reading the data from serial monitor or string from the serial monitor. So onwards, so you can change the condition based on your requirement or based on your interest. Okay, so here I have the 5 conditions. So let's upload this code. So done uploading. First I will enter name. Okay, so initially, so it will display hi, welcome to mini chatbot. Okay, so then I will enter name. So your name is Nandini. So then age, okay, your age is 23, and you can also enter anything. Okay, not in the order wise. So just I will go for the branch. Okay, so branch, so it will display your branches. Okay, so then I will enter college. So your college name is BIT. Okay, so then what else we have? USN. Okay, USN, so your USN is 4BT, something like that. Okay, so we have only 4 options, so it will display 4 informations. Okay, oh sorry, 5 information. So I'm enter something any invalid, so it will just ignore that statement. Okay, so then like, okay, use the result, so it will ignore that input statement. Okay, so again, so if you want, so you can also enter once again name. Okay, or USN. Okay, so age, so it will give the correct answer, right? So otherwise, so you can also, instead of printing just hi, welcome to mini chatbot, so you can also display so something like that. So enter your name, so first it will ask the name, so then it will ask your age, so like that also you can do that. Okay, so we are going to do that. So just see this result. Okay, so just it will displaying hi, welcome to mini chatbot. Okay, so we don't know so how to enter or what to enter. Okay, so then so just will go, I'll show you again. So name, age, okay, USN, college, okay, then branch. Okay, so like that. So just I will give the interactive way. Okay, so I will display the statement in the interactive manner. So just at the starting, I will display, okay, after some time. Okay, just I will wait for, I will use the delay. So around 2 seconds, and I will use serial.println. Enter, okay, enter name. So after entering the name, so last for enter age, okay. Serial dot print ln. So name is over, so then I'll ask for enter your, okay, enter age, okay. So just use delay. So delay around 2 seconds again. Okay, just I'll do this for all the condition. Okay. So after age, so then display USN, enter USN. Okay. So then enter college. Or for better conditions, so you can also go for send college, send in age. So like that you can also type it. So just I will go for again college, enter college, or send college. Okay. So then branch. So here. So you don't have the last condition. Enter college. Here you have to make it as a branch. Then uploading. You can see the result. So after 2 seconds, it will ask for the enter name. Okay. So hi, welcome to mini chatbot. So enter name. So just I will send name. So your name is Nandini. So then after 2 seconds, it will ask for the question. Okay. So enter age. So enter age. Okay. So it will give the result. After 2 seconds, again it will ask question. Enter USN. So USN. Okay. So then enter college. So college. BAT. So and enter branch. Branch. So like that, so in this kind of way, you can also create an application. Okay. So you can do whatever you want. Okay. So this is all about how to read the string from your UART communication or serial monitor. Okay. So serial monitor will work based on the your UART communication. Okay. So this is the simple application to create a mini chatbot. Okay. So either, so you can also give your real name. Okay, instead of sending the name, so you can also give your name. So then it will respond to your name. Okay. Hi Nandini, how are you? So like that. So you can also create. So how to do that? So then just go for the condition. If it is matches any condition, okay. So then you can print whatever you like. Okay. So like that, so you can also create an interactive chatbot. Okay, so this is the simple one. Okay, so just we are going for the predefined condition. So just we have the storing name. Okay, so then we have stored age and USN and college and branch. Okay, these are the only predefined conditions. So if I enter anything except this condition, so it will just ignore that statements, right? So that's why, so this is simple mini chatbot. So if you want to create an interactive one, so you can go for. Okay, so just play around this program. So you guys have any doubts?